Hey everybody, so I got a new kit I wanted to introduce you to you. I kind of wanted to get away from the cars for a little bit and do something different. Well, this one's definitely different. It is a Metcross, which is a Japanese anime. Um, so it's kind of like Gundam. But this one is just the nose section of a fighter jet that's in that show. That was pretty cool. It's a 1/20th scale. You can see there. And it's a little bit different brand. This is, I think it's the Max Factory brand. So, let's look into the box. I did take everything out of the bags I wanted to. Oh, there is inside. So that's the instruction manual and the cockpit part. So that is almost the length. This is the base. It has some good detail, which is a good thing. I don't think I'm going to paint this one. That color would probably be a little hard to do. There is some spots like here. It's just a little bit rough. As you can tell, it's where one of them pins are on the inside, so it kind of has a little bit of shrinkage issues. But I think that's like the only spot. What I'm going to do is wet sand that, try to get it as smooth as I can, and then sand it back to kind of a smooth as I can get it, and then probably end up doing a clear coat, and I'll show you why. So those parts actually fit like that. Like I said, this is the base. It's kind of like a runway. I think right in there a sticker goes with the logo or so. So this is, I'm going to paint this all up. I didn't put this in there, but it is the thing that holds it all up. It's just a nice rod. It's a nice solid rod. It's probably about 6 ounces, so it's pretty heavy. So you ain't gotta worry about any flexing or anything like that. This is the bottom. So then the wheel will actually come out of that. This one looks like it's molded pretty good. I don't see no warping. There might be a little bit here. So I'll probably just scribe the lines, then sand it, and try to smooth it out as much as possible. Here is the 2 nose pieces, and there is the antennas. So those will actually get painted a different color, just that part, the base will be the same color as it is. Here's a couple hatches. There wasn't many trees in it. All those other parts came like that. They're all individually bagged. So this is one of the few trees. But this is down below underneath where the wheel will come out. There is the wheel. And the hubs. These are the doors. These pieces go onto that. Pretty nice 2-tone injection molding. Super clean. I mean, they did a nice job with the tooling on it. There's not very many mold lines except for like right here. And it's going to be painted, so it don't really matter. One of the canopy glass pieces. Definitely keeping it in that plastic for a while. Part of the nose in front of the pilot. Wheels. The back of the seat. This goes behind the seat. This is the frame around the screen. These are 2 of the sides for the seat. These are the joysticks. And I believe these go on the sides of the seat. All that stuff will get painted. Let's do a closer look at the cockpit, bottom of the seat, and then this the main part of the display, and then the back of the seat. And this piece will be all covered up. So I'm going to paint that as well, try to detail that up. Another one of this is going to be the full, I believe this is the rearmost piece. And there is the front. Then there is a clear tree. These pieces go right here. And then there's a couple other clear pieces. I don't know where them go yet. Haven't seen it. And then there's the display, and that piece goes up there as well. Now, it did not come with water slides, unfortunately. It came with stickers. So one thing is, I'm wondering if I put the stickers on it and clear over it, if that would be alright. I don't know, I've never tried that before. There's more stickers, and there's some screen options. So, I'm not too happy about that, but that's probably the only thing I don't like about this kit. So, I'll start working on it, and until the next update, I'll talk to you later. Bye.